Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get the video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Sir.
In this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So, as you don't know, we do have two Nike Halloween shoes that are releasing. So normally Nike brand does Halloween release with the Air Force One, usually around this time, and with no exception, they're coming out with the Nike Air Force One Low Halloween. It is set to release on October 24th. A retail price of 140. They didn't really do a good job on this, in my opinion, but it does feature black and burgundy throughout the shoe. It looks like a crackle leather throughout. And on the toe box, we do see that skull that you either will love or hate. This shoe makes it look kind of like a kid shoe in a way. So I don't know if this shoe would do good or not. The Nike Air Force One Low Halloweens, they usually start off high and then end up low. So would not recommend you if you're trying to resell these to go for these. Another shoe that is dropping on the same day, and they are both loaded up on Sneakers app already, is a Nike Dunk Low Halloween. I do like this colorway a little bit better. It does feature that crackle leather as well. Again, this shoe is overall a lime green and paired with that black, it really makes the shoe pop. And again, it does have that same skull on the front, but this one has a $10 lower retail price. So if you're looking to get one of these, may be the shoe to get because it's a little bit cheaper. But again, you have to be one of those persons that are willing to wear this pop of color because this neon green is very bright. Overall, let me know your comments down in the comments, sneakerheads. Let me know what you think about these, trying to go for these or not. So moving on to the Jordan updates. So these are shoes that came out from September 15th through September 21st. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So on September 20th, did have the A I'm a Manier Jordan 4. This was a collaboration. Retail price was $225. This was called the While You Were Sleeping pack, aka the Phantom colorway. I did have a video unboxing on that. Check out the video right there. But all these were sitting originally on Nike Sneakers app, as well as the I'm a Manier website, but eventually they slowly all sold out. Big round of applause for that. Hey, I'm a Manier does quality work. If you have never gotten any of the shoes in hand, I recommend you checking those out at one of your local retail shops so you can get a close hand of what they look like and the quality of those. I do really think for that high retail price, these are one of the shoes that are very worth it if you don't have these in your collection. So go ahead and scoop you a pair up, sneakerheads. So moving on, what do we have next, my brother?
So on September the 20th, but this shoe was pushed back to October 1st. It was the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Paris Saint Germain. Price point for those was 150. This was a men's pair of shoe. Nike.com sizes 8 through 10 and 13 through 14 are still sitting. Sizes 11 through 12 did sell out. So if you do cop these shoes, that price point of 150 is that's a solid price point there. But if you are looking for that 8 through 10 sizes and 13 through 14, Nike.com, according to Nike.com, those shoe sizes are still available.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the last shoe of the week. On September 21st, we did have the Jordan 1 Mocha Lows. This did come out at a price point of $140. To my surprise, that these were sitting and still sitting now. The Jordan 1 High Mochas did very well, and they had shot up to over $400. Resale price for those have came down a little bit. You can get you a pair for around three something now, which is still high for Jordan 1. Being that the Jordan 1s are not in right now. But to see these sitting for 140 is very shocking in my opinion. But all sizes are still available. Most of the half sizes did sell out on Nike.com, but I did see these at my local retail stores here at the mall. We did do a short. Go ahead and check out that video right there on those. But let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, were you able to copy a pair or not?
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.